They say everything starts with a tiny thread, and if you catch hold of the right one, you may just weave the destiny you want. That's exactly how our story of spinning the smallest into the world's largest unfolds. With first steps in the early 80s dedicated to chemicals manufacturing, it was in the 90s when in the heartland of Punjab, a small agro-based company took a giant leap of faith. From being a little-known company, today we are the largest manufacturers of terry towels in the world, one of the biggest producers of wheat straw-based paper, among the foremost yarn spinners of the country, and a world leader in bed linen manufacturing.
My inspiration is how to change the lives of people, how to engage more people, how to make them more happy.
We have also written another success story with our wheat straw-based paper that now has a global footprint that spans across 35 countries. The hard work we do is for more than just the hundreds of metric tons of output. We are committed to nature, community, customers, employees. With Takshashila, we have created a distinctive platform to transform the youth of today into leaders of tomorrow. It comes as no surprise that Trident, a company named after a divine symbol representing female power, outclasses every company in the industry when it comes to providing the best facilities to female employees. We are committed towards a healthy community. Thousands of people from nearby towns and villages are treated at our mega medical camp every year. Our brand purpose comes from the company's core brand value to produce world-class products while preserving the environment. Our environment-conscious manufacturing practices, recycling water, zero discharge, usage of non-toxic chemicals and dyes, and innovative technologies to reduce energy and power consumption, along with making eco-friendly products, are a testament to this. A strong believer in the concept of "Pehle khushi, phir khushhali," we at Trident endeavor to keep our members contented so that they are motivated to provide their best in terms of productivity. We believe it's crucial to adapt to the changing demands and behaviors of our customers and placing them at the core of our business. Trident has charted out the growth map for the future, and the most crucial part of this plan is ascertaining the delivery of our motto, binding many hands and growing together as one happy family. We believe, with the support of our members, our dream of becoming the biggest and the best will come true. We are committed. We are Trident.